Have you ever wondered why it takes so long to get a new medicine? Traditionally, bringing a single drug to market takes over 10 years and costs billions of dollars. It's a slow, painful process where a staggering 90% of potential drugs fail. But what if that could all change? Well, today artificial intelligence is completely rewriting the rules. Think of AI in the life sciences as a digital chemist that works 24/7. It's not here to replace scientists, but to give them a super-powered microscope, helping them find those needles in haystacks in months instead of years. The industry is using AI in three major ways. First, in research and development. AI can design new molecules and even predict how complex proteins will fold. Tasks that used to take months of painstaking lab work can now be simulated in seconds. Second, in clinical trials, AI helps identify the perfect patients for a study and can even monitor them remotely. This not only makes trials more efficient, but also dramatically increases their chances of success. And third, in supply and safety. AI systems can spot potential side effects early on and even predict and prevent drug shortages before they happen. It's like having a crystal ball for the entire pharmaceutical supply chain. So, how does it all work? It's a powerful feedback loop. AI reads millions of research papers to understand a disease, then designs a digital key to fit that disease's lock. It runs simulations to predict any side effects, and only then does a human scientist take the most promising candidates into a real lab for testing. The human expert is always at the center of the process. But in life sciences, the stakes are literally life and death. You can't just trust the computer blindly. Every AI suggestion needs a clear audit trail to explain why a decision was made. But there's no room for black box science. If you can't explain the logic, you can't trust the result. A fascinating new development is using AI for inclusion checks. By analyzing trial criteria, AI can spot if a study accidentally excludes certain ages or ethnicities, suggesting ways to make research more representative. This means future treatments will be more effective for everyone. Ultimately, AI is helping us move from a world of accidental discovery to one of intentional design. Curing diseases once thought untreatable is finally within our reach. If you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the AI Buzz YouTube channel. It really helps us grow and keep bringing you these guides.